Hello everyone, this is Jack speaking. We will be introduce the product for 1860 coiling and the packing machine all together. So as we see here, these are spare parts and details. This is a control panel. We use Siemens systems. These are some of the buttons for control inside. The oil details. This is the packing side. This side is cable inside, and then this is coiling, and then go from this side. And then here is what we packing, and then put on that way. This structures inside. We have the main material here, and also we have the air accumulate parts here to ensure have a stable air go through all these machines to ensure the different kinds of active will be stable on packing and also for the cooling. And then we have a different kind of size. This also the 1860 size. All in details, our engineer will be installation one spare parts by one spare parts. Everything will be very stable because each year we will be selling out around 20 pieces in each year. 200 pieces in each year. We use a sign inventor for control all these machines. You see the motor inside, the spare parts, the tubes very stable. And also here we have a CPU modules, and also this one. And this is air storage parts. All these machines are very stable. You see, in our warehouse, our engineers are still working hard to ensure lots of machines can deliver to our clients. So, choose us is the best choice. Hoo-ha provided the wire and the cable solution for our clients. You're always welcome to inquire us for the cable and wire making. Thank you. This is Jack.